In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, one of the largest volcanic eruptions in human history. It blasted ash so high into the atmosphere, it cooled the entire planet. The next year, 1816, became known as the year without a summer. Snow fell in June, crops failed, people starved across Europe and America. In Switzerland, a young woman named Mary Shelley was trapped indoors by the cold. Bored and surrounded by darkness, she started writing a ghost story. That story became Frankenstein. One volcano changed the weather and helped create a monster that lives on in pop culture today.